This is the LPG timed sequential injection for electronic injection engines educational trainer. It is built from real OEM components and cut open to show the internal structure of each part in a modern LPG injection system. The trainer includes a Cutaway LPG tank with multivalve fuel lines, LPG filter, pressure reducer, injectors, ECU, sensors, and wiring. A petrol injection system is also included for comparison, with visible petrol injectors, rail, and related components. The Cutaway design lets students see how LPG moves from the tank, through the reducer and filter, to the injectors, and how petrol injection differs. Internal sections of valves, chambers, and passages are exposed to make the fuel path and component operation clear. This model is designed for technical and vocational training, allowing students to identify components, understand their construction, and learn the working principle of sequential LPG injection without a running system. It provides a safe, hands-on way to study alternative fuel systems, their differences from petrol injection, and the role of each component in fuel delivery.